Hello everyone, welcome to EduCare 247. This is the 15th lecture of Financial Awareness series. This series is very much useful for RBI Grade B and SEBI Grade A examination 2020. The recent data of RBI shows that the money supply has increased in the market. In this video, we'll try to understand what is money supply and why money supply has increased in the market. We'll also understand different kind of money, what is narrow money, what is broad money. So this video is going to be a very informative video for upcoming examination. Recently, The Hindu has published an article on the basis of RBI data, and it says that money supply has increased in the market due to uncertainty caused by COVID-19 pandemic. Generally, when money supply increases in the market, it is the indicator of growth. But this time, it is not the indicator of growth. It is the indicator of uncertainty and fear among the people. People are breaking their FDs and keeping their money with them. So it is increasing the money supply. Let us analyze the RBI data. Since the end of March 2020, currency held by public increased by 8.2%. M3, that is money supply, increased by 6.7% in the first 5 months of 2020 compared to last year, and this is the highest growth in 7 years. We'll discuss in the detail what is M1, what is M2, what is M3 and what is M4. Currency in circulation, which measures money with public and in bank, has also increased. However, saving and current accounts deposits decreased by 8%. Gross capital formation also fell by 7% in March 2020 quarter. So basically, people have difficult time to meet their basic needs. That's why they are taking their deposits from the bank and circulating in the market, and saving is decreasing. EduCare 247 has launched crash course for SEBI Grade A examination 2020, and this crash course is useful for phase 1, phase 2 and interview. We are covering the complete syllabus of paper 2. We are also covering the GS of paper 1, and we are providing 5000 plus MCQs, and this MCQs is topic based. All the paper 2 topic will be covered in the form of MCQs with explanation. Our notes are very concise. Live doubt session will be conducted for the student. We are also providing some important video lessons. Right now we are running a discount of 50%. You can use the coupon code SEBI to get the discount in this course. So you will get the course in 1499. The course fee is 3000. Now you can visit our website educare247.com and subscribe to this course. Let us understand all the important concepts related to money supply. So what is money supply? The total stock of money in circulation among the public at particular point of time is called money supply. So basically, we have total stock of money, and out of this total stock of money, whatever money is with the public is called total money supply. So basically, total stock of money is different from total money supply. The money supply is the only part of total stock of money which is held by public at a particular point of time. So basically, money supply changes with time. And what is currency in circulation? Currency in circulation basically means notes in circulation, a small coin and rupee coins in the circulation. And what is currency with the public? Currency with the public basically means currency in circulation minus currency with the banks. So if you will remove currency with the banks from currency in the circulation, it will be called currency with the public. Now let us understand what is M1, M2, M3 and M4. M1 basically means currency with public plus demand deposits of the bank. Time deposit is not included in M1. Remember that important point. And what is M2? M2 basically means M1 plus demand deposits in post offices. And what is M3? M3 basically means currency with public plus demand deposits of public in bank plus time deposits of public in bank. So basically, post office deposit is not included in M3. Only time and demand deposit with bank plus currency with public is called the money supply, that is M3. Remember this important point. So basically, money supply is defined as money with public which basically includes cash with public and public deposits, time and demand with banks. So this is very important point. Remember this important point for your examination. Now let us understand what is M4. M4 basically means M3 plus demand and time deposits in post offices, but national saving certificates is not included in this. It is excluded from M4. So M1 and M2 are known as narrow money and M3 and M4 are known as broad money, and these gradation are in decreasing order of liquidity. So basically M1 is the most liquid and easy to get liquidated, but M4 is the least liquid of all, and M3 is most commonly used to measure the money supply. It is also known as aggregate money resources. So remember all these important points. Anything can be asked in your examination. Never forget these important points. What is the difference between M1, M2, M3 and M4? Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, like, share and comment and subscribe to Educare 247. Thank you and happy learning.